Hi, welcome to Blessed Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you on how to fix a HP Elitebook 840G3 keyboard. So let's go. So you fix it. You start from here, from this one. So on it. So you on it to check the keyboard if they are working perfect or not, to know if the keyboard is good. Because after you check it that is good, then you can now tight it back. But let's first of all check if the keyboard is okay. Okay, this is it. So let's check it. Okay, now the keyboard is okay. What we will do is to tight it back. We open it. Then cover it. So thank you guys.